is time.
It's time.
We are going in. We're going into the Magic Kingdom. It's happening. It's actually happening. Welcome to day 2 of our Disney World vlogs. Today, it's a Magic Kingdom day. I am so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Harper and I don't know whether you can tell, are bounding today. If you have any ideas who me and Harper are bounding as today, leave a comment down below. A little tip is that we are heading to the Crystal Palace for lunch today, so that might help with your guesses. And as always, come along with us and let's see what the happiest place on earth has in store for us today. It's quite warm already.
No, I think it's quite cold.
Well, Finley doesn't think it's warm, but I do. I can feel the sun burning my head already. Yeah, I can. So we parked up. There was a hell of a lot of traffic. It should have taken around half an hour. It took about an hour. Then we had to queue for parking. Harper's hitched a ride. But we're here. We are here. And that's all that matters. Like I was saying in the car, I'd rather be stuck in traffic in Florida than at home. So as it's Harper's first time in Disney World, we've given her the choice of whether she wants to do monorail or boat, and you have chosen monorail. So off to the monorail station we go. So this is the security line here. That's to take you to the car park. Monorail! So we're in the queue for security. My mum is there. So there is a separate entrance for pushchairs and wheelchairs and scooters, and it is just for them. So your whole family can't go down there with them. So yeah, we've been separated momentarily while we go through security. We are about to get to the monorail. It's very busy, but we have to bear in mind it is park opening probably about now. So let's go. Can you see the monorail, Harps? Yeah. So don't let the queues for the monorail put you off. They do move really, really quickly. So bear that in mind, that the monorail has a lot more capacity on there, and they are a lot more frequent than the ferries. But the ferry is a really nice ride across. Someone's ringing me. We're not answering that. So yeah, we should be on probably the next 1 or 2 monorails that come.
Deal!
Yay! Are you excited? We are on the tail. You alright, Mum? You did it.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Express Monorail, your highway in the sky to the Magic Kingdom.
What did you just see? Did you? Guy, when you getting on with the scooter, he was really helpful. He was called Ashley from Washington DC. He was really nice. Had a nice little chat with him. His mum's actually from England, so that was interesting. But we're nearly here now. We are in. Let's go. Where are we going? Shall we get a guide? Are you excited? Just take it all in. Where's the castle? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Where is the castle? Here's the horse is, I think, getting ready to come out. And what's exciting is the Dapper Dans are on there. Yay! Hi! Yeah! tears already. It's a good job I've got glass on. With Mary. Pardon? Where's the castle? We are on a castle mission. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, I see it! This is just a ridiculous reaction to something I've seen a million times. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just magnificent. Like, I love the Paris castle because it is so beautiful, but I think the fact that this is just so big genuinely just gets me every time.
Never see you any, I'm gonna sail on that ferry boat, never to return again.
Just look at it in all its glory. What a beauty. First stop though, now we've seen the castle. Harper's happy. Are you happy you've seen the castle, Harps? Yeah, so what we're gonna do? It is beautiful, isn't it? What we're gonna do now? A roller coaster. Let's go. Look, Harper. Let's go give him a cuddle. You say hello? I don't think he saw you. Oh, look, he's trying to eat the popcorn. Oh, dear. Was that you, Harper? Did you do that? No.
The last popcorn, you should know we're not eating it. I heard that one.
Would you like a photo with him, Harper? Oh, that's nice. Thank you very much. You say bye. Oh, thank you. Is that good? He wanted the popcorn, didn't he? So, we are heading. Harper's first ride in Disney World is going to be the wildest ride in the wilderness. Because we are off to Big Thunder Mountain, which we are super excited for. Yeah. And we are just passing now Tiana's Bayou. And Finley was just giving me massive mum guilt because last time we came it was still obviously Splash Mountain, it was still up and running. And we were going to head to that after we had a photo with the Tangled Lantern. And by the time we got here it had just shut and he's still never let me live that down. But that's coming on nicely, it looks really beautiful. I think that's opening in summer this year, so maybe we'll have to come back. We are in the queue. We are very excited. I can't wait to see Harper's face. You're not technically allowed to vlog, but I don't know whether I can get away with it with this camera being different from an obvious camera. So you might be able to come with us, you might not.
Yeah, makes a lot of sense.
Here we go.
Like your kids, if you use wearing hats or glasses, it's the moon, because this here's the
Wildest ride in the wilderness.
I need to be red.
Okay. Oh, get ready. We've got your Harp.
Okay. Just be ready.
You're so brave.
You're very brave. So ready. Hot, did you like that?
What did you think?
Would you do it again? Yeah, you would
Yeah,
do it
you come on it again with us.
I'm so proud of you, darling.
Harper, does it get the thumbs up?
I think you're the littlest one on it, Rob.
Amazing. Well, Harper did fantastic on that ride, didn't you? You were so great. Did you love it? Yeah? Now we're going on Little Mermaid ride. She's very excited about it because she's watched it on a tablet, she said. So we're going to go do that now. So this is Tiana's ride. This is what it's going to be. If we were stood here in the summer, we would be getting very wet right now, but it looks really, really pretty up there. So Haunted Mansion is got a very, very long line. We're trying to get through to Fantasyland, and it's a little bit chaotic because all this side here is this is the lightning lane. So the queue you can see closest to us is the lightning lane, and Haunted Mansion is down there. Current wait time for Small World is 70 minutes. Golly goshly. So we are now in the lightning lane for Journey of the Little Mermaid. Are you excited, Harper? Little Mermaid. This is actually a first for us all. None of us have done this ride before. So it'll be fun to see what it's like. Nice little sea shanty. Noisy water. Oh, look at these. We're going in a seashell, Heart.
Ah, what a voice. What a beautiful voice. But let me tell you that...
Fish on the land makes happy, but the sand goes deep, deep. Darling, it's better down where it's better, take it from me. Oh, unfortunate sunrise in Hey, sleeping, sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot.
Under the castle for the first time, I think. It's so beautiful. Let's go through. Look at all the mosaics on the wall. Oh, the parade's on. That's going to be fun. This is really bad timing though to get to our reservation. Gosh, look at that sea of people. So we obviously got caught up in the parade, but I think we probably just made it. It's probably just in time for our reservations now, and it's such a gorgeous building. Look at it. I'm excited too, Harps, and you know what? I am hungry. Yep, thank you. We have our table now. Hoover, can you see him? He's just behind us there. It's bad mum alert, I forgot her autograph book. So, whoopsie. But she's very excited to see him, as am I. Hey! It's gone for plate number 1.
That's what it says.
Chicken, salami, prawns. Is it not? What's that?
Look at this. That's the same as that.
Oh, okay. Good. Piglet. number one for me, I have got this is a country fried chicken with pepper and something, mashed potatoes and green beans. Harper's plate is mac and cheese. This is a beef tortilla thing and chicken. Good.
Your outfit, you match. Is that intentional? She looks like a
Smile. Good girl. What did you just say, Harper?
I love Piglet so
Oh. Can we just appreciate the desserts here? Snow White ride do? Ready? You two crazies. Woo! So we have really, I think did we enjoy it? You weren't a big fan really, were you? There was nothing.
Well, they're good, it's really.
Yeah, there's nothing that really, oh look who it is.
She never likes anything.
Yeah.
Literally.
So now we are off to, with full tummy, it's probably not the best idea, we are off to ride Seven Dwarfs Mine train. And I'm excited for Harper to go on this. I feel like she's really done that now. She's done Big Thunder. She enjoyed Little Mermaid as well. This way, Harper. So we're heading back over to Fantasyland for our Seven Dwarfs Mine train. So we have just left my mum in Cosmic Rays, which is just here, because she could do with giving her scooter a bit of juice. We asked a cast member like where the best places to charge them are, and they advised sort of a quick service place as the best option. So we've left her sat in there. We have left her sat in there while we go and ride Seven Dwarfs. So let's go. So even the lightning lane for this is quite long. Might be sleeping. There's Snow White's house. Come on then.
Look at the shadow!
in my house. There's Snow White. And now, keeping in with the theme of the day, we are going on to the Winnie the Pooh ride. Wait there, Harper, wait here. You can see the Sanders house, how cute. Good girl, Mummy's turn. Are you excited? What's that? Yeah! Whether you can see, but the honey there, if you were in the regular queue, like you touch it and it moves, so it's a pretty cool effect to keep you occupied whilst you are waiting in the queue.
If you ask me, you'll never reach that dream.
Hang on tightly, bro.
It's good, isn't it?
Follow me, right this way. Watch out, I have a look at the noodles. They steal honey.
You'll find that they love it.
Everyone gathered together to say,
Oh no! Yeah! Because I think it's nearly finished. Did you like that ride? Yeah? So we've just come for a drink. We're quite thirsty now, and we've come into the Pinocchio place, whose name I can't think of what it is. It's quite cute though. It's just a quick service. Things like pizzas and stuff on the menu. Whether you can see, but there's the menu. Peach cobbler, oh yeah. So we've refreshed and rested a little bit, and now we are waiting to go into our lightning lane for Peter Pan. So we're looking forward to that. Are you excited, Harper?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a good ride. Obviously they've got this one at Paris, so we're quite familiar with this one, but we've not been on it for a long time because it's such a slow loading ride. The queues do get quite high, so if we don't get it in magic hours in Paris, we don't really bother, do we? So yeah, let's go. Look. Did you see it?
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Oh look, Peter Pan and Captain Hook. Tinkerbell. Go on, Harps. Harper, we need to go this way. Harper, this way. So do you know what? I sit corrected. That was actually a much better experience on Peter Pan than Paris. I thought they were the same, so I'm starting to wonder if we've actually ridden it here. I'm not sure, but yeah, it was so much better. I thought it was smoother, and I don't know, it just seemed nicer, a bit more larger than life, I would say. So now we're off again to Seven Dwarfs Mine train because I think it's been all our favourites, and we were able to get another lightning lane. So why not? Why not? So let's head over there now. And you can look up. She doesn't want my arm anywhere near her. You ready? Whoa! Finley's in the front of us this time. There he is. Oh, it's a big one, Hawk. Wee! She's laughing her head off.
That was rough right there.
How was that, Harps? Good?
I think we're still going.
I think we're still going a little bit though. I think the fast bit's done. Oh, is it not? Right, look out, see if we can see her this time. You couldn't see her last time. As you saw, she loved it even more this time. We're not today, we'll come back another day. We got to go find Susu now. We think our time in the park is done today. I don't know what time, it's probably about 6:10. So I think we're going to go find my mum and then look in some shops and then go home. Going back through the castle. Pardon? It's just an easier way to find Susu. We'll go through this way. I don't think we've really ever stood here before. And there you can see the castle stage, which is pretty cool. And all the way down Main Street. So we are going into Mickey's Theatre now. We'll just have a little look at the shop that's here. Oh, look at Oswald, $110 for him. Is that with the 50% off? Wow, would you like that castle? So cool. Look at these like shadow boxes. Let me try and zoom in because I don't know if you can see it properly. How cool are they? There's loads of them. So cool. Ah. Wow. Harper's just choosing a magic band because she doesn't have one. What do you think you like so far? Goofy? Stitch? So it's now about 7:15. We have had a lot longer in here than we expected. It's been a really good day. It's not long now until Happily Ever After. Look at it at night. We have just been into the shops. Look what Harper bought. We've got baby Mickey. What else did you get?
You want me to put this down?
You got your magic band. So now we're heading out the park and probably going to get something nice, quick and easy for tea, like a Mackey's or something like that. But we have had such a good day. We have done 7 Dwarfs Mine train twice. We have been on Big Thunder Mountain. We've been on Winnie the Pooh, Little Mermaid. We've had lunch at Crystal Palace. We've been on Peter Pan. So it's been really nice. We've caught a bit of the parade. So yeah, like I think we've had a successful day. It's just like this place just makes me so happy. It really does. Like, I'm glad I have my sunglasses on because there were tears. I mean, to be fair, there were tears before we even got in the park. But it's just been great, and to see Harper's face and the fact that she's loving all the big rides. We're going under a tunnel. It's a bit dark. She like loved them, and we went on. It was Winnie the Pooh, which was a really nice ride, and she enjoyed it. But as soon as that finished, she was like, "I want to go on a fast ride." Thank you. So yeah, we've had a good day. Have we had a good day? Yeah, we're tired now. Yeah, it's a lot of walking, isn't it? But we've done so well. Didn't really film much in the shop because I've got 2 kids and a mother who are pulling me in every direction. So I just needed to have eyes on them. But what we did find, I don't know whether it was just the shop we was at, so we was at the shop in the Mickey Theatre, right at the bottom of Main Street, and there's just like no prices. There was a lot of things without prices on them. So we did have to keep asking the cast member for how much things were. But yeah, I mean, they were more than happy to tell us. Obviously, they're always amazing cast members here. But I just found it a bit strange that, like, why are they not putting the prices on things? So we have decided to just come to Mackey's, and we have, we're not even going in, just got to drive through. Harper is already absolutely zonkoed back there. But, you know, I'm easily pleased. But I'm so excited, and I am a little bit probably too excited by this than I should be. However, we've got an OG McDonald's straw. I just couldn't believe it. Could not believe it. It tastes so much better. Like, I understand why we've gone to paper straws. I do, but I can't say I enjoy a paper straw. I really hate them. So it is quite nice to go back to an OG straw. I completely forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so I shall do that now. We've forwarded another day, but we did have the best day, and it was just great to see Harper. Like, it's like she just couldn't take it all in. Obviously, she's been to Disney Park, she's been to Paris quite a few times already, but she's never been to Florida, and it was just like, and she's older now to sort of get it more. So that was just fantastic. The rides were brilliant. We just had a really good day. I just loved being there. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe. My plan is, so these are the daily vlogs, so I'm just going to show you standard what we've done each day. I'm not keeping it specific to a Disney park or anything like that. It's just a full daily vlog of our Florida trip. But what I will be doing is showing in more detail things like Crystal Palace, different restaurants, different aspects of certain things. There will be specific videos in more depth. So do make sure you subscribe for those. Please leave a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this. And yeah, we will see you guys tomorrow, and you know it.